Hi, welcome to my channel, Leah Dunkley Hair, and we're going to be discussing all things hair and beauty with the main focus being wigs. And then next I'll show you how to create baby hairs on the lace. The whole reason for baby hairs is just to hide the lace. That's all you're doing. So the idea behind it, you don't want too much hair. The more hair, the more unnatural it's going to use, the less hair. And you want, when I first started, I was using Ultra Glued, which is brilliant because it's actually a gel, but it's so strong it works as a glue. But then I found it was very stiff and sticking to my head. Whereas if you notice when you go out and baby hairs are just flyaway hairs at the front, you want to create that as well. So I've started using mousse. So we'll have a look how to do that. Hi guys, so I'm just going to show you now how to create some baby hairs. We've pulled a section of the hairs to the front. And all you do is go through, get your tail comb, and you're literally just going to zigzag through at the front and pull through hairs. If you pull through too much, you can just go through again, separate another section and pull through. You literally need that much. I don't know if you can see that on camera, that much. The less hair, the more natural it's going to look. The more hair, then you're going to be able to see what you've tried to do. All right, so all you need is a pair of scissors, and I would do it in sections, and you need about 1.5 inches to 2 inches at the front. So if you can see that on camera where I'm cutting, and you're just going to grab your scissors like that, and you're just going to go through, and it should glide and cut through the hair. It doesn't have to be straight, guys. Go through again. The sharper the scissors, the better. But you can just cut through. There you go. So I'll show you what you. So you've literally just cut those baby hairs there. All right. So what you want it to look like it's just literally the front of the hair, not too thick, just wispy bits like that. Now you can use Got to Be Glued. It's a gel, but it's really strong, so it is like glue. When I first started doing baby hairs, I did use these. You've got the yellow bottle as well. The yellow bottle will leave, when it dries it goes white, so it will leave a slight residue. This one is better, it's clear and it dries clear. However, it's very hard and stiff. And if you want a natural look, you want it to be able to move. So mousse is the best thing. As any mousse, this is a Pantene Pro V mousse, but you can use any. So give it a shake. And you're just going to a little bit all around the front. So get your comb it back. And that will keep any flyaways from the hairline going backwards, and then you do just want to rub it on the front as well. There you go. Okay. So as I explained before, the reason for baby hairs is just to hide the lace at the front. Otherwise, if you didn't, you would see the lace. Not everybody wears them, not everybody likes them. If you see with this wig here, I haven't got any baby hairs because you don't really need to with a centre parting. So go through. So you can use a comb. You can, the smaller teeth combs are better. Or you can just use something like this. I think this is an eyelash brush. And all you're going to do is, I'll show you there, it's stand up. Okay. So what you're going to do with your comb, or as I said, I'm using an eyelash brush, is just gently. You need to use your finger as well. So you're going to create a little curve, hold that down, and then you're going to sweep back up. So remember we said all we're doing is trying to hide the lace at the front. So you're going to bring it down, and all the brush does is separate the hairs out so it's not in a huge clump. Then you're going to bring it round, use your finger to keep it there, and then use the brush to sweep it back up to the hair. There you go. Take that one, sweep it round. Sweep it out the way. And there, if I bring it to the camera, you can see there you've created, and you've got a natural hairline, so it's not a big thick hairline going around. And there you go. And there's how to pluck your hairline and create baby hairs. Hi guys, so I'm back and I've got the finished wig on. So as you can see, I'll show you the finished look here, there. If you have a look at these baby hairs, just there. And that's all you want, is just something just covering the lace. And then you can actually just bring it forward like that. So if you're out and your wig blows, that's all you're going to see is the baby hairs underneath. And there you go. So I hope that was helpful, guys. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for some more videos. If you're interested in this cork wig stand, I'll let you know where I got it from. And the reason it's covered in plastic is it's cork and canvas over. So in time, if you keep getting it wet with things like mousses and gels and water, it's going to get mouldy. So I'll show you how to protect it and keep it safe, and hopefully I have it for longer. So I'll create another video on that as well, and I'll put some details of all of the stuff that I've used today, you know, in terms of brushes, combs, mousses, gels, etc. So hopefully you've enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.